Hi, I'm Leif. Welcome to Wineberry Hill. One of the best things about having the Wineberry Hill channel is I get to hear from people from all over the world that are struggling through their own big projects. And quite often they bring up to me something that was said in a video from earlier this year. It went something like this. The other thing that you need to keep in mind on a big physical project like this is it doesn't need to get done in a day or a week or even a month. I know towards the end of this big project of the 100-step run of steps, the last few, I don't know, this last section, I was only filling maybe 1 or 2 steps a day. So don't knock yourself out, pace yourself. Obviously, I didn't come up with that. It's something that I picked up from people in my life that I admire that are getting big projects done themselves. These might be internal projects like health and emotions, or they might be external projects like a small hobby or a big giant DIY garden overhaul. The one thing that all of these projects have in common is that they get done one step at a time. So here's my challenge to you. Actually, it's a few things. Make a list for 2025 and then break that list into smaller lists and maybe even break those lists into smaller lists. And then start with the tiniest piece of one of those lists and cross it off. And here's the really important part. Save your old lists so that you can see what you are accomplishing. Remember, it doesn't need to get completed in a day or a week or a month. You just need to move the needle one list item at a time. So my challenge to you is list one project, internal, external, that you want to accomplish in 2025 and post it in the comments. Because really the first step on completing a project is identifying the project. Now, like I said, one of the best things about Wineberry Hill is the community. And as a community, we are going to cheer you on. Thank you for your support of all of us. We got this, one list item at a time.